Mugen reimagines the Honda Super One with an aggressive new body kit. Mugen has unveiled a specialized tuning kit for the Honda Super One, transforming the compact, K-sized electric vehicle into a much more aggressive, performance-oriented machine. Based on the Honda N1e platform, the Super One was already a distinctive EV, but Mugen's enhancements give it a bold, giant killer aesthetic. A radical aesthetic overhaul, the Mugen kit focuses heavily on visual impact and aerodynamic styling. The goal appears to be turning a functional micro-EV into a standout enthusiast car. Key exterior modifications include front end, a large, prominent front spoiler featuring the Mugen logo and a redesigned, blockier hood. Profile, enhanced side garnishes and wide-over fenders that accentuate the car's athletic stance. Rear styling, a functional rear diffuser paired with a high-profile rear wing designed to command attention. Beyond the bodywork, Mugen is upgrading the driving experience with mechanical and interior refinements. The kit includes specially tuned dampers, a set of 16-inch 5-spoke wheels, a custom steering wheel, and premium Mugen-branded Recaro bucket seats. Performance and power-to-weight dynamics, while the Super One is a small electric vehicle. It is far from a mere commuter pod. Honda engineered a specific boost mode for this model, which increases power output from a standard 63 horsepower to 94 horsepower. To understand why this matters, one must look at the vehicle's mass. The Super One weighs approximately 2,403 pounds. For context, this makes it remarkably close in weight to a Mazda MX-5 Miata, meaning that even with modest horsepower, the car's lightweight nature allows for a spirited, engaging driving dynamic. This focus on lightweight electrification is a growing trend in the micromobility sector, prioritizing agility over raw top speed. Availability and market outlook, while specific pricing has not yet been disclosed, Honda intends to make the Mugen Super One kit available in late May 2026. Current market availability remains limited. The Super One is primarily targeted at the Japanese and United Kingdom markets, suggesting that enthusiasts in North America may find it difficult to acquire a Mugen-fitted model without significant importation efforts. The Mugen kit transforms the Honda Super One from a practical urban EV into a high-character enthusiast vehicle, leveraging its low curb weight to deliver a more engaging driving experience.